Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. So I'm so sorry that this video took so long to come out. I recorded it sometime last week and for some reason the file got corrupted. So for you guys, I am definitely gonna do it again because I did promise a makeup video. Now you guys know I'm no makeup guru, but I did want to give my great subscribers what they asked for, and I did this little look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So in my last video I said I was gonna do shout outs to the first few people that commented on my last video, which was my vlog. If you did not see it, go check it out. I'll leave the link down below. So the first person that shouted me out in the comments was Glenda. I love you, girl, I love you. Thank you so much for watching the video. And then we have Demi Aaliyah. This is one of my YouTube friends. Yes, Demi Aaliyah, one of my YouTube friends who she always comes through in the clutch. Just like I check out your videos, girl. You know I'm aspiring to be a teacher, so I just want to be like you when I grow up. So Demi Aaliyah, shout out. And last, I want to shout out Stacy Jane. She's this really cute little British, or you know, she's like Brit. I think she's British, but her accent is super cute, and I always check out her YouTube videos as well. Thank you guys for commenting on my last video. You guys are so great. Thank you for my new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you for joining the family. To the old ones, thank you for coming back, because you guys know you are the real MVP. I love you guys. So yeah, I said I wanted to give you guys this video. I will be using mostly black owned products in this video, Juvia'S Place and Fenty. I do use some other stuff, but minor. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like the look. I tried, no makeup guru as I said, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, comment, join the family, follow me on all my social media platforms. Everything's under HunnieeBeeBee, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright, hey guys, hi. I look musty and crusty, but it's alright. You know the girl is about to get glam. So basically I look really rusty here, but I'm just gonna start off with prepping my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Matte Primer to set my face. I really love this stuff. It is amazing. It smells great, and Rihanna just did her thing, period, with all of these products. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm applying generous amounts because I am oily and this is mattifying. So yeah, you know to do. Alright guys, now I'm taking a brown pencil by the brand Allure. This is one of those off brands that I told you about, that I'm just going to be taking to my brows. My brows are bushy, so bear with me, but I'm going to be doing that right now, guys. Alright, so now that both brows are done, they look crazy right now, but you know definition is coming through in the clutch. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 385 to conceal my eyebrows. I'm also going to be using this on my face as well. But yeah, I'm just taking that to the brows, and then I'm going to clean it up with a small flat brush, just a regular flat brush that I've had in my arsenal forever, and get these brows defined and fine to look poppin' on this camera, you know. Alright guys, so after taking that brush, I'm just going to use my finger and blend the concealer out. It's not going to be fully blended into my skin, but I'm just blending it out so it could be smoother when I apply my foundation. Alright, eyebrow bushy where? So the girls are defined. They look good. They look good. Alright, they look good. So now I'm just gonna put some, whatchamacallit, this is Black Opal, and it is in the color tan. It's a concealer. I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyelid so that my colors can be popping when I apply my eyeshadow. Yes, so the star of the show today is the Tribe palette by Juvia'S Place. I'm going to be using only this palette to create the look that you saw, and it is so pretty, you guys. Like, do you see me saying it's so pretty? It's so pretty. So we're just going to get started off. I'm using a fluffy brush by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be going into the color Tootsie. It's like that kind of green. Well, it's basically green. It's that green color to the top, and I'm just gonna be applying that into my crease. So I'm gonna dab it in at first, and then I'm gonna fan it out with the brush. So I'm just dabbing it into the crease, and then I'm gonna slightly fan it out just to not have any harsh lines. Now I'm going into the color Sand. That's that kind of really dark emerald green down to the bottom, and I'm just using a dome brush that I got from Eco Tools a long time ago. I'm dabbing into that, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm slightly gonna go into my crease with it. I'm just gonna give the eye definition with this darker color, but that's what I'm pretty much gonna do. I'm just gonna take it, put it outside into the corner, and kind of brighten up inside of the crease. Here I'm just going back into Tootsie just to brighten back up my crease with that color and to give it back the color that I initially put there. Now I'm taking the same flat brush that I used to clean up underneath my brows, and whatever remaining product that was on there from the concealer, I'm just taking it and brightening up in the inner corner of my eye so that I can lay down the color, and it's like a little bit more pronounced opposed to just being on top of another color. So I'm just putting some concealer there just to brighten it up a bit. Alright guys, now I'm going in with the color My Sai or Maysai, I think it's called. It's like a neon green. It looks yellow on camera, but it really is like a bright neon green. And I'm going to be putting that on the inner corner of the eye. My brush was a little bit wet, so it didn't come out as pronounced, but it still worked out in the end. I just flipped my brush back around to put back in that emerald green into my corner and brighten it back up. Alright guys, so at this point I look mad stressed, like sis was stressed, head holding and everything, because my camera battery had died, so I was really stressed out about that one, but luckily I had one charge. So what I'm going to be doing now is pretty much just getting this NYX gold liner. It's like a gold shimmer liner, and I'm just going to be putting it into my crease from the corner of my eye. I'm not really great with this. This is actually my first time trying something like this, but I think I did it a little bit too thick. But there's always room for improvement on my first try, and I think it doesn't look too bad. I will be applying my AOA lashes off camera because it took forever. You guys see I'm back with it. These are in the style Tori. You guys, these lashes are a buck, only $1 on AOA.com. Everything I found for $1 on that website is courtesy of Savannah Silver, favorite YouTuber. But now I'm just going in with my foundation. This is the Fenty Pro Matte foundation in the color 410, and I'm going to be applying that generously. I promise you guys my beauty blender is not dirty, it's just stained, so I'm gonna go in with that and blend everything out. Alright, now that I'm all blended, I'm going to be taking my concealer from Fenty Beauty in the color 385, and I'm going to conceal everywhere that pretty much needs to be concealed. Alright guys, so I'm letting my concealer dry down a bit because I like to do it like that. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be applying my contour, and this is the Black Opal foundation stick in the color Suede Mocha, and I'm just going to be using that for contour. Now it's time to blend, blend, blend. I'm going to blend everything in. I swear to God, I be feeling like everything after that blending work is done, because that is no joke. I'm telling you, blending will get your arm muscles up. Now I'm taking my setting powder from Fenty Beauty. It's in the color Honey, and I'm gonna set everywhere that I concealed. So normally I don't bake, I just keep the powder on for 10 seconds. That was that 10 seconds dance you've seen before, and then I brush it off. I'm now taking my bronzer from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Suede Mocha, and I'm just gonna bronze everywhere that I contoured before. Alright guys, so I'm going back in to finish up the eyes into the Tri palette, and I'm going in with the color Sand. Pretty much the colors that I used at the top. So I'll be using Sand, I'll be using Tootsie, and then I'm going to make an additional add-in. I'm going to be using Cuba, I think it's Cuba, and that's like a shimmery dark color. You're going to see me put it in at the last bit, and that's just to get some shimmer on the bottom of the eye. Alright, the eyes are all done. Now I'm going to be taking off this head wrap. You guys, please do not judge me because my baby hairs are on swim. They're like waves on swim, girl. They've been there for like almost a week, so don't judge. I'm going to be taking my bronzer brush that I use with Suede Mocha from Fenty, and I'm just going to be kind of bronzing in the middle of that, because you see how it left like a brownish, like my complexion. I'm just going to blend it in so it doesn't look crazy, guys. Now I'm taking my Bella Blush by Juvia'S Place. It's either Bella or the Freak brush. I think it's called Bella. It's just this nice little cute pinkish color, and I'm going to be putting it on. I've never really been a blush girl, but it's cute. Alright, so for highlighter, I went back into the Freak palette, and I'm going to, I said a Freak palette. I went back into the Tribe palette, and I'm going to be using the middle color. It's called Chaga, and I'm just going to be putting that on where I put highlight, and it was popping. I'm going to be using this as highlight as well because it's popping. Now for mascara, I'm using Buxom mascara, and I'm applying that to my eyelash. So I went off camera, I fixed my hair, I came back looking poppin', and I'm just taking my Mario Badiscu, whatever, and I'm going to be setting my face, and I'm going to be using my little fan, you guys, to get my face all dried in and set and cute. Alright, so I'm using my two favorite combo from Fenty, and these are from the, her Stunner collection. I'm using Unbutton and Unveil to get like a cute ombre. First I'm taking Unveil, which is the brown color, and I'm lining my lips. Then I'm taking Unbutton and I'm placing it in the middle. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was detailed enough. I hope you guys love the look. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.